Hello everyone. In this video, I will going to discuss about identifying the conic section. What is conic section? A conic section is a curve obtained by the intersection of the surface of a cone with a plane. The four basic types of conics are parabolas, ellipses, circles, and hyperbolas. A general second degree equation in x and y represented by a conic ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0 has the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, which can be utilized in determining the type of conic. So if the discriminant is equal to 0, then it is parabola. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then it is hyperbola. If the discriminant is less than 0 and neither b is not equal to 0 or a is not equal to z, then it is ellipse. And d is less than, or the discriminant is less than 0, b is equal to 0, and a is equal to c, then it is ellipse. B is equal to 0. Axis of the conic is horizontal or vertical. B is not equal to 0. The axes are neither horizontal or vertical. So example, we have the given, so example 1, we have x squared plus 2x plus xy plus 9 is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is to identify the a, b, and c. So our a is the x squared, rb is the xy, and rc is the y squared. So since so ra is 1, so rb, since we don't have xy, so rb is equal to 0. Then c, so we don't have y squared, so rc is equal to 0. Then compute the conic discriminant. So we will substitute it to the conic discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So rb is equal to 0, so we have 0 squared minus 4 times ra is 1 and rc is 0. So negative 4 times 1 times 0 is equal to 0. So since our discriminant is equal to 0, so if our discriminant is equal to 0, is then it is parabola. So number 2, so we have the given equation x squared minus y squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So identify the a, b, and c. So r1, so ra is equal to 1, rb is 0, and rc is negative 1. Then compute the conic discriminant. So rb is equal to 0, 0 squared, minus 4 times a is equal to 1 times c is equal to negative 1. Then negative 4 times 1 times negative 1 is equal to 4. So since the discriminant is greater than 0, then it is hyperbola. And number 3, we have the given equation 20y squared plus 12x squared minus 12x plus 4y minus 37 is equal to 0. So ra is 12, rb, we don't have xy, so we have 0, and rc is 20. Compute the conic discriminant. So RB is equal to 0. 0 squared minus 4 times A is equal to 12. C is equal to 20. So negative 4 times 12 times 20 is equal to negative 960. So it is so it is less than 0. And so it is ellipse. It is ellipse because A is not equal to C. So in number 4, we have the given equation x squared plus y squared minus 2y minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. And identify the A, B, and C. So RA is 1. We don't have x, y, so we have so RB is equal to 0. And RC is equal to 1. Then compute the conic discriminant. Conic discriminant. Compute the conic discriminant. So RB is equal to 0 minus 4. RA is 1. RC is 1. So negative 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. It is also negative. So negative 4 is less than 0. So since A is equal to C, then it is circle.